Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the CPUZ app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep in watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the CPUZ app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of CPUZ, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on their official website, there it is guys, you will now see the CPUZ app right here, so just select this download option for Windows to proceed. And after that, I want you to scroll down until you see this download options for the app right here. Among these options, I want you to select this one for the fastest and easiest download for the app. And after that, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the app. So you can now click this download button to start downloading the app installer for CPUZ. And then the app will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to agree to their terms and service policy, and then you can now click next to proceed. And then finally, for the last step, you can now click the install button to start installing the app. And then the installation process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have the app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use it to view the specs of your device. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.